Hey kiddo, so here is a quick tutorial on how to add assignments to Google Classroom. Here's our Google Classroom stream. You're going to go over to classwork. In this case, I will model this with Friendo. So here's the assignment. You go to view assignment, and on your right hand side, you will see where it says your work, add, or create. You'll search to your drive. When you search to your drive, you can type in Friendle or whatever you titled your copy of the Google Slides that you copied for Friendle's chapters 1 through 3. Once it's uploaded, you'll simply press turn in. One attachment will be submitted for Friendle's chapters 1 through 3. Press turn in, and that is it. So you're going to do the same thing for social studies and any other assignments that I have you upload from here on out. Hope this helps.